Okay, welcome back. Thanks for watching. This is part 3 of the trip to Kiyotaki River. This is the part where we walk up to the Kiyotaki. So yeah, this is the entrance. This tree sign says to the waterfall, to the sign. And yeah, as you can tell, it is very mossy and beautiful. I enjoy places like this. I have no idea why. And then we ended up seeing these weird tanukis. I don't even know why they are here, what they mean. But yeah, interesting thing to find on the entrance of the way there. But yeah, pretty much all the way up, this is what you could expect. It's very beautiful. You can never get tired of seeing this. And yeah, I decided to take a shot of what your pet dog or pet cat might see if they were to hike with you up here. So yeah, this is what they're seeing when they climb up these stairs. Just thought to let you know. And yeah, the water, it just sounds beautiful. Like, I enjoyed every part of it. Every step I took, I looked around. Of course, through the camera, it looks like this, but yeah, I wish you could be there to see the beautiful nature that's available here. Of course, this was taken. I guess it was right after spring or before summer, or it was probably during summer. So the leaves are still green, but I believe that if you go here during fall or winter, it's a whole different scenery. So I might have to come back here during fall or winter to see how it changes. But yeah, the green and the sound of the water, the birds, everything, it's just beautiful. Highly recommend coming here if you like to hike or yeah, just enjoy nature in general. It's not too hard of a hike, so yeah, I'm sure anyone can enjoy it. Yeah, as you can tell, just beautiful nature. It's so Japanese-ish vibe to it. And yeah, everywhere you go, there's like these like tories, gateways, I guess, for like temples and stuff. And yeah, decided to just walk through it. Um, but yeah, it feels like it's so spiritual. I can't even explain it. Like I'm not a spiritual person, so I shouldn't be explaining this. But yeah, it feels quite nice. And yeah, here's another shot of the cat or dog angle. This is what they see, and I thought it was kind of cool to see what it looks like from the lower angle. And yeah, we just walked through a bunch of these like random houses that just pop out of nowhere, and looks like no one's lived here for quite a while. So I'm not sure why these houses exist here. Maybe they were a place for like monks or someone to train. I'm not sure. Um, I have no information about this, but yeah, this part, it really looks like something from Ghibli, uh, which I just said before. But yeah, feels like you can see where people took ideas from Ghibli. Maybe, I'm not sure. But yeah, we made it all the way to the top. This is pretty much the top. You can tell that there's like a red torii or gateway or archway right here, and these two tents, I guess they're for changing your clothes if you need to change your clothes, I guess. I didn't use it, but yeah, and managed to come to what we were looking for, and it was interesting. There's people actually experiencing like the spiritual, what is it, like you stand under the waterfall to like cleanse yourself or some ritual like that, yeah. It's interesting. And yeah, this is like a shot from under. The waterfall was pretty high, so I had to take it from a vertical angle. But yeah, after looking at the scenery, we decided to just go back down. And yeah, this is the Kiyotaki River. So what you saw now is the highest point of the, I guess, the trail, and this is the almost the lowest point, and this is where the river is. And yeah, it was kind of a hot day, so it was perfect, like going in the water. And inside the water, you wouldn't expect this. Like, I was shocked to see this, but there's a lot of fish in here. Like these little, I'm not sure what kind of fish it is. In Japan, like the most famous one is like the medaka fish. I'm not sure what these are. They look like guppies or some kind of like freshwater fish. But yeah, there was a lot of these fish, and I was astonished to see it. To be honest with you. And yeah, this is just on the way back. A lot of these like bridges exist, and I'm not sure why, but I really enjoyed this part of the bridge. Like after I turn to the right here, you may notice it, but it just looks really nice. Like the green and the way like the bridge, like walking through this, it felt really good. I have no idea how to explain why, but yeah, I like walking through bridges. It feels really nice. And yeah, I mean the scenery, it's pretty much all of this. Like you could expect this scenery if you come here. I guess during like after spring, summer, and I guess during the COVID situation there wasn't a lot of people here, but uh, I guess if it's not the COVID situation, there's a lot of people that maybe hang out around the river to do some barbecue. I think you're allowed to barbecue here. I'm not entirely sure. Yeah, I might need to look into that, but yeah. And then on the way back, we saw a sign, and it's pretty interesting. Like the signs that you can see. That one was like a bunch of rocks falling down, so I guess we had to be careful of falling rocks here. When in Japan, you sometimes see like the signs that have like boars or monkeys and stuff. And I thought, yeah, that was cool. So, yeah, and this is the trail that I was dreading on walking back because it was so steep. So yeah, I'm just complaining about, oh, this is the trail that we came down, and then we had to trek up. So yeah, this is pretty much it. Hope you enjoyed my visit to Kiyotaki River and Kiyotaki. Yeah, I enjoyed it, and you should probably go here if you ever visit Kyoto. It's a pretty simple trek, and you should be able to enjoy it to your full potential. Thank you.